Hi, everyone. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jake.
Today, we have something fun, something a little exciting. Before we start, if you enjoy friendly conversations that help you learn English naturally, we'd love it if you subscribe and stay with us every day. Now, let's get into it.
So, the topic today is a little unusual. Imagine there is only one plane ticket. Just one. It can take us anywhere in the world. Any country, any city, any dream place. But only one of us can use it. Not both. One person gets the trip, the other stays home. How does that sound?
Honestly, both exciting and scary. Exciting means it makes you feel happy and full of energy about something. But scary means it brings fear, even if it's fun. Travel can be both at the same time. You know, a trip can open your mind. Open your mind means help you see new cultures, new people, new ideas. But choosing just one person, that is the real problem.
Right. It's like a challenge. And challenge means something difficult that tests your ability. So today we will talk about our dream travel destinations. And then maybe we will fight over the ticket. Just joking, but who knows?
Travel was something I love deeply. When I think about a new place, I imagine food, new streets, the sound of a language I don't know yet. There's a beautiful word for that, wanderlust, which means a strong desire to travel and explore. Sometimes I feel wanderlust like a fire inside me.
I feel that too. But for me, travel is not just about relaxing. It's about discovery. Discovery means finding something new, something you didn't know before. When you travel, you learn without books. You learn through real life. And honestly, that's one of the best ways of learning English too. Listening, speaking, watching people talk, it feels natural.
Exactly. Even in this podcast, we keep our English slow, simple, but real, like talking with a friend. Listeners can learn English through conversation, not just rules.
So here's the big question. If Emma and I have only one ticket, where would we go? And why? What makes a place special for us? Memories, nature, food, history, love?
In the next part, I'm going to tell you the place I dream of visiting, a place that has been on my mind for years. I will explain why it feels magical. Magical means beautiful in a way that feels unreal or special like a dream.
And after that, I'll share my dream destination too. Then maybe we'll see who wins that ticket.
So, Jake, the truth is, I can't pick just one country right away. I have three places in mind: Japan, Greece, and Egypt. Each one feels special in a different way. Let me think out loud, like talking with myself. So maybe the audience can help me decide.
Three choices already? This is getting serious. Tell us why each one is calling your heart.
All right, let's start with Japan. I always imagine Kyoto. Quiet streets, old wooden houses, the smell of tea. There's something peaceful there. In Japan, people have a beautiful tradition called tea ceremony. Tradition means a cultural habit that people repeat over years. During a tea ceremony, people sit quietly, drink green tea slowly, and show respect with small movements. It looks simple, but it feels deep, like meditation. And oh, hanami. Hanami means enjoying cherry blossoms in spring. People sit under pink trees, eat, laugh, take pictures. Life looks soft and gentle there. I think Japan teaches patience and calm.
I can see your eyes shine when you talk about it. That tells me Japan is high on your list.
It is. But then I think about Greece. Blue water, white houses, islands like Santorini or Crete. The air feels ancient, like history is still alive there. Greek mythology has always fascinated me. Mythology means old stories about gods and heroes, Zeus, Athena, Poseidon, stories full of courage, love, jealousy. I imagine walking near old temples, touching stone that is thousands of years old. It's like time becomes soft there.
Also, the food.
Yes! Olives, feta teas, seafood, fresh bread. Greek meals are slow and social. People eat together for hours, talking, laughing. No rush. That culturally warms my heart. But then, the third place, Egypt, a place of mystery. Pyramids, the Nile, ancient queens and kings. Egyptians believe strongly in the afterlife. Afterlife means life after death. They prepared things for the soul, decorated tombs with gold and color. There is something powerful about a culture that respects both life and death with beauty.
You sound torn, like your heart is divided into three countries.
Exactly. Japan gives me calm, Greece gives me beauty, Egypt gives me wonder. If I must pick only one, I think I choose Japan. Because when I imagine myself sitting under cherry blossoms, drinking tea slowly, hearing wind in the trees, my heart feels soft, relaxed, alive.
Japan it is. So you would use the ticket and fly to Kyoto.
Yes, and I would bring back stories, pictures, maybe even a little Japanese vocabulary for our listeners.
Well, now it's my turn. Let's see if I can choose a place that is even better than Japan. Okay, now it's my turn. If Emma takes the ticket to Japan, I need to choose a destination that feels just as powerful, just as inspiring. Two places come to my mind: Italy and Morocco. Both are beautiful, both full of history, but completely different worlds.
I love this already. Tell me everything.
Let's start with Italy. When I imagine Italy, I see warm streets, old buildings, and people talking loudly with their hands. Italians communicate with energy. You don't only hear the words, you feel them. There's a C1 vocabulary word for this: expressive. Expressive means showing feelings clearly through voice or movement. Italian culture is expressive and emotional, full of life. And the food: pasta, pizza, gelato. Meals in Italy are long and social, like in Greece, but with more intensity and flavor. Families sit for hours talking and laughing. They don't rush. They enjoy life like it's a gift. There is another advanced word: appreciate. Appreciate means to understand and enjoy the value of something. Italians appreciate food, art, and connection with people deeply.
You talk about Italy like you've already been there.
Not yet, but my imagination travels there often. However, there is one more place pulling me strongly: Morocco, a place full of color, markets, spices in the air. Marrakesh looks like a dream. Busy streets, carpets, mint tea, music, storytellers. There's a word I love: vibrant. Vibrant means full of energy, movement, and color. Morocco feels vibrant in every picture I've seen. Morocco also has something very unique: souks, traditional markets where you can buy handmade goods. Handmade means made by people, not by a machine. You can find lamps, leather bags, spices, silver, all made with care. Walking inside a souk feels like entering a storybook.
If you could choose right now, like someone is holding the ticket above your head, which one would you take?
That is the difficult part. Italy is warm and full of art. Morocco is vibrant and full of life. Italy feels romantic. Morocco feels adventurous. Let me think. If I had only one chance, I would choose Morocco.
Morocco! I didn't expect that.
I know, most people expect Italy first, but Morocco calls me in a different way. I want to walk through the old Medina, drink mint tea on a rooftop, listen to storytellers in the night. There is another advanced word, captivating. Captivating means something so interesting it holds your attention like magic. Morocco looks captivating to me.
So we have Japan for me, Morocco for you, two continents, two cultures, two dreams. I like where this is going.
And now the real question begins. If there is only one ticket, only one traveler, who gets to go?
I love how traditions shape our identity. Shape means to form or make something what it is. When I think about Greece, Japan, Egypt, and many other countries, I see how beautiful differences can be. Each place holds history like a treasure. Treasure means something valuable and important.
You know what I find amazing? The way food becomes tradition. In Greece, they have a dish called moussaka. It is layers of eggplant, meat, sauce, and cheese. Families cook it for big gatherings. Gatherings means people meeting to share time together.
Yes, and in Japan, a meal can be an art. Sushi is not just food. It is patience, detail, skill. Skill means the ability to do something well. Everything is careful. The cut of the fish, the shape of the rice, the silence before eating. It feels like respect.
Egypt has something similar but different. Their bread, called aish baladi, is simple but powerful. People make it with history in their hands. History means stories from the past that still live today. Aish baladi tastes like home, even if you have never been there.
That is why I think traditions help us understand each other. They speak without words. They show love, memory, celebration. Celebration means a happy event shared with others. Even if we speak different languages, food and tradition make us feel connected.
Connected means joined together, like one big family. Sometimes I imagine every country sitting at one huge table. Greece brings olives, Japan brings sushi, Egypt brings warm bread. And we all learn from each other.
Learning means improving and growing through new information. When we learn about cultures, we learn about ourselves too. We see what we share. We see what is unique. Unique means one of a kind.
The world is full of traditions waiting for us. Some loud and colorful, some quiet and gentle, but all of them tell a story.
And the more we listen, the more we understand.
And the more we understand, the kinder we become. Kinder means more gentle and more caring with others.
I think curiosity keeps traditions alive. Curiosity means wanting to know more. When we ask questions, we open doors.
Exactly. One ticket started this whole conversation. One idea led us to Greece, Japan, Egypt, and beyond. Beyond means further, more than expected.
Maybe the real journey is not choosing where to go. Maybe it is learning why each place matters.
Because every culture carries a story. Every story carries wisdom. Wisdom means deep understanding learned over time.
So whether you travel with your feet or with your mind, remember that every tradition is a gift.
A gift meant to be tasted, heard, felt, shared. Shared means given to others so they can feel it too.
And when we share, we don't lose anything. We gain connection. We gain perspective. Perspective means a new way of seeing the world.
So keep exploring. Keep tasting new ideas. Let the world surprise you.
And if you enjoyed traveling with us today, stay with us for the next story, next tradition, next culture.
Thank you for listening. It was a journey without a map, and we loved it.
See you in the next episode. Keep learning, keep feeling the world. Goodbye for now.